Hey everybody, BionicDance here. First of all, please forgive my appearance and the lack of special effects and everything. I am, at the moment, recovering from another one of those seizures I told you about a while ago. I have an appointment with an epileptologist tomorrow and a neurosurgeon on the 12th. We'll find out what the hell is wrong with my head meats. In the meantime, a fellow named You're Irritating, actually, that's his username. I didn't find him so, and I don't like to think I am, but some of you have other ideas, made a video to me, and he's asking me a question that, it's a very interesting question, and it's a question I've kind of wondered about myself. It's about space and the universe and things like that, which of course is something I have a great amount of interest in. But despite how interesting the question is and how much I'd actually kind of like an answer to it, I'm not entirely certain that it's... Well, relevant is the wrong word. I think it may be off base in certain ways. I'm not sure. I'd love to know what you think. I want to talk about it. So, here we go. Let's have a look.
I've heard many theories on this, but what do you think could possibly be beyond the universe? Even though they say the universe could be expanding, which they don't know for sure, but they do have sufficient evidence, what do you think could be beyond that? What is it expanding from? What is outside of the expansion? Or if it's not expanding, what is beyond the universe? What is your opinion, really? Because I know no one knows for sure, but what do you think?
Well, when you say beyond the universe, what does that mean exactly? I mean, it's like, are we talking about, like, does the universe have a membrane around it where there's something outside of that? Or are we talking about, like, what if you went through a wormhole, or you know, they always talk about traveling through a black hole. I always think they mean a wormhole when they do that, because I think a black hole would just crush you. But, you know, I mean, what are we talking about, like alternate parallel realities, parallel universes or something? I mean, what does beyond the universe even mean? I mean, do you just mean beyond the limits of the results of the Big Bang? Really? I mean, because it seems to me like there would just be emptiness. That's all that would be there. Like it probably goes on forever, and there's just nothing there. I mean, I don't know. I honestly don't know. Somebody once told me, and I didn't get it because I think I was too young to understand what was being said at the time, or the concepts just didn't mean anything to me at the time. But somebody told me once that vacuum, like the vacuum of space, you know, we leave the bounds of the Earth and we're in between planets, in between stars, and there's vacuum there, that it's more than just emptiness, that there is some kind of matter there, even if it's not like solid. Like, it may not be air, it may not be, you know, solid matter, but there's something there, dark matter, basically. At least I think that's what they were talking about. I'm not sure. It was a long time ago. I haven't really done the research. I will admit, as much as I have a love of space, much of it is, more a love of sci-fi. You know, I mean, I love the idea of Star Wars and you know, that kind of thing, space opera. I mean, I love science, I really do, but it's less of a focus of mine, so I really do need to read up on that more. I will freely admit my ignorance on this subject in many ways. I mean, I probably know more than the average citizen on the street, but I'm still a layman by comparison to, well, the people who've actually put the time in. Point is that when you say what's beyond the universe, I don't know that question means anything. I mean, Oops, sorry, that was the kitten. Nudged the webcam. Stop that. Anyway, yeah, I honestly don't know. Hey, look, stop it, silly kitty. I honestly don't know what's beyond the universe, but my guess is just emptiness, and that's it, infinite emptiness. I hope that answers your question as far as what I think. I don't think either one of us has had our question answered as to what reality is. Anyway, this is BionicDance saying don't run on automatic. Instead, please think. Please take the time to rate this video. And hey, if you dig what I do, subscribe. And please visit my Zazzle store, where you'll find all kinds of BionicDance merchandise. And hey, if you hit that thumbs up over there, and then pray really, really hard, you might just get your own spaceship. Think about it.